Bob joins us now with weather, and Bob, fall's kind of creeping in here slowly but surely.
Yes, it is. Not a big surprise that it should do that now, but it just seems to have sort of snuck in. It seemed like it was never going to get here, and no huge front. It just sort of gradually, I guess it sort of oozed into the area. I guess there's no other way to put it. High today made it up to 54, and that's right where it should be for this time of year. Record of 75. That was set in 1990. Low was 45, and that's a little mild because the heat was held in by all that cloud cover, and we had no rain. Sunrise is at 6:51. It sets at 5:07, giving us 10 hours and 16 minutes of daylight. Right now it's 45 degrees. 39 is our dew point. 81% relative humidity. Winds are north-northwest at 10, and the skies are cloudy. Current temperatures around the rest of the area, it's coolest off to the west. There have been some clearing skies off in this direction. 37 in Marshall, and it's 39 in Worthington. To the east, the temperatures are held in the mid-40s under those clouds. Right now, those clouds are off to the eastern part of our viewing area. This is the little clearing area off to the west. We've got a high-pressure system in South Dakota, and that's helping to funnel cool air into our area. Not a big front, but it is gradually cooling off. And you can see there is a northwesterly airflow at the surface, but up aloft where the clouds are, things are coming in from the southwest. And what this means is there's moisture overriding our cool air. And what it means for us is actually it's going to stay cloudy. Any rain with this next system coming in is going to stay mostly off to our south. This is the jet stream. We've got enough cool, dry air coming in to hold most of that rain at bay, but there is still a risk of some lighter rain falling as this low, upper level low in the southwest brings up some moisture, which comes up to about Iowa. So that's about halfway through our viewing area. On the national satellite, you can see that sort of pattern going on. You can see this is the low developing in the west. We have a little bit of a northwest airflow off to our northwest, bringing in that cooler, drier air at the ground. But these clouds are going to be up here, and they're going to sort of flirt with us over the weekend, give us a small chance of some light rain, mostly in the southern part of our viewing area. So high pressure continues to feed that cold air in. So looks like we've probably seen our last 70-degree temperature of 1998. We may see a peek at the sun tomorrow, though, too, when those clouds continue to stream in from the southwest. And so does the light rain a little bit, too. The risk is greatest down in Iowa of having a wet trick-or-treat, but looks like most of Minnesota is going to stay dry. But for Sunday, there is that risk of some light rain. Nothing heavy at all, but just do pay attention to the forecast tomorrow before you head out to Halloween to do that trick-or-treating. Highs tomorrow are going to be in the 50s, held down off a little bit more to the southwest where there will be more clouds over here, holding the temperatures down into the 40s. For tonight, we'll have some partial clearing that's already occurred near Marshall and Worthington. That'll be moving eastward a little bit. 39 for the overnight low, and if you're out in Marshall, you're already colder than that. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow, sun and clouds getting up to about 50 degrees. North winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And the extended outlook for Sunday through Wednesday, we do have chances of some light rain, and that'll be more likely in the southern part of our viewing area. Most places north of Mankato should stay dry the whole weekend. But the temperatures, you see them there, are sort of like November, with highs in the 40s.
So our viewers in Iowa could be trick-or-treating in the rain.
Just a little bit of light rain, so just maybe bring an umbrella or something along if you're down in Spencer or Algona or someplace.
Right.
But here in north of Mankato, you'll be all right.
Thanks, Bob.
Yep.
We'll have national and world news when we come back.